Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Learn Mode Lab. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a full app in Emergent AI, step by step, no coding required. Emergent is an AI-powered platform that builds full-stack apps just from a text description, front-end, back-end, database, everything from a single prompt. Let's get into it. First, go to app.emergent.sh and create your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start a new project. Click on New Project to begin. You'll see a chat-like interface. This is where you describe your app in plain English, like you're talking to a developer. Now, type a clear description of what you want to build. The more specific, the better. For example, build me a task manager app with user login, a dashboard to add and complete tasks, and a clean dark theme. Emergent AI will read your prompt and start planning the entire structure of your app. After you submit, the agent will ask you a few clarifying questions, things like design style, authentication, or external APIs. Just answer them clearly so the AI can build exactly what you have in mind. Now, sit back and watch. Emergent agents will work together to build the front end, the back end, the database, and any integrations you requested. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, click Preview to see your app live. Test all the features, and if anything doesn't look right, just describe the issue in the chat, and the agent will fix it automatically. When you're happy with everything, hit Deploy. Emergent will publish your full-stack app on the web with no server setup, no hosting configuration. You'll get a live link you can share with anyone. And that's it. That's how to create a full app in Emergent AI, from idea to live product in minutes with zero coding. If this video helped you, leave a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.